Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you could trim your videos online and then also do things such as remove the sound or speed up the playback speed. We're going to be using a free website called AudioTrimmer.com/video cutter. So they have some other tools that we've done videos on. You actually have one for the audio as well if you want to do the audio trimmer. We have a video on that. So all you got to do is pick your file. So let me show you the file real quick here before we start. Just a basic dog video here. Okay, so we're going to upload this same movie here. So as it's uploading, it kind of plays it for you. So what you could do, let's say we want to trim out the starting. We could move the slider here, and this is what it's going to keep. Let's say we want to keep just the middle. We could do that. Or we could do the remove option, and that'll remove the part in the section here, and then tie these two together. Or we could do the speed up option here. And then we have the slider here, which you could speed it up all the way to 4 times. And of course you could do that for the entire video if you don't want to crop it. And then you have the remove audio section, and then you could also take a screenshot. Okay, so let's say we're going to trim out the beginning and end here. So we're going to keep this part actually. And so anything that's grayed out will be removed. So once it's done uploading, we could just click on export here, and we'll have just this little section here. And you could actually fine tune it with the exact seconds if you want to put in exact numbers if you happen to know. And then you could have a fade in and fade out. So we got fade out. We'll do a fade in as well. Okay, so let's export it. So it's processing. Okay, ready to go. So let's download. Okay, we'll just stick it on the desktop with the default name. You could change it, of course. Okay, so here it is. So this should have a fade in and a fade out and just have the middle of the video. Okay, there's our fade in. Oh, it looks like I kept the speed up section there as well, so that's fine. And then it fades out. So we're able to do the speed up time as well as trim it and do the fade in and fade out. Then you could go back if you want to change stuff. So you can see I left it at 4 times the speed, so that's a good example there as well. So pretty simple to use. So like I said, just upload your video. Decide if you want to keep or remove a certain section. If you want to speed it up, if you want to fade in or fade out, remove the audio, take a screenshot. And supposedly they only keep these videos on their server for a couple hours and they delete them. So obviously don't upload anything that has, personal information or something you don't want the world to see, because you never know who you could trust. So I will put a link in the description where you could check the site out and you could start trimming your videos. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.